Hi everyone, I am Teacher Danica, and for today's lesson, we will be talking about the 6 corrective feedbacks used by the ESL teachers and how to use them. Are you ready? Let's begin! We have 6 kinds of corrective feedback. We have explicit correction, recast, clarification request, metalinguistic feedback, elucidation, and repetition. So number 1, we have explicit correction. In explicit correction, the teacher clearly indicates that the student's utterance was incorrect and provides the correct form. This is used when the student doesn't know the answer or if you're running out of time. For example, the slice of cake is in box. We don't say in box, we say in the box. Can you please repeat that for me? Number 2, we have recast. Recast is used when the teacher supplies the correct form without interrupting the flow of speech. This is used when the teacher is more focused on the content than the flow and if the mistake is unintentional. For example, I go to school yesterday. Oh, you went to school yesterday? Oh yes, teacher, I went to school yesterday. Number 3, we have clarification request. In clarification request, the teacher indicates that the message was not understood or it needs a reformation. This corrective feedback is used when everything is unclear or you want the student to check his or her errors. For example, I saw the Harry Potter movie. Excuse me? What's that? I said, I saw a Harry Potter movie. I do not understand. Can you repeat that again? I saw a Harry Potter movie. Oh, you saw a Harry Potter movie. Number 4, we have metalinguistic feedback. In metalinguistic feedback, the teacher poses a yes or no question and provides options or gives comments. This is used when you want the students to remember the rules. For example, I go to school yesterday. Do we say I go to school yesterday or I went to school yesterday? Number 5, we have elucidation. In elucidation, the teacher gives clues, pauses to allow the student to complete their utterance, or ask the students to reformulate the utterance. This is used when you want the student to remember a particular expression. For example, what animal is this? Meow, meow. It's a cat, teacher. It is a cat. Cat. Say that again. Cat. Very good. Say that again. Lastly, we have repetition. In repetition, the teacher repeats the student's error and adjusts interaction to draw attention to it. This is used when you are focused in the rules and you want the students to make the self-correction. For example, he walk. He walk. He walk. He walk. He walks. Correct. He walks. So those are the 6 corrective feedbacks used by the ESL teachers. I hope you learned something from this and see you soon to our next video. Bye!